Fit fam, what's good? Mick here. Hey, so the last and final event is the 2-mile run. So those who are currently in the military, you guys should already be good on your 2-mile run. Civilians, I would say just keep progressing and running little by little. What I would say is for the 2-mile run, just to help you improve, make sure you're doing sprints, long distance, and also make sure you're staying hydrated and fueled. So this last event is the 2-mile run. I guess you're wondering like, what? We still gotta do the 2-mile run after all these other events? Yes. Anyways, nothing has changed. The 2-mile run is a 2-mile run, but the progression I would use for the 2-mile run is the 30-60 method, which you sprint 30 seconds and you jog the other 60 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the 30-60 method. Okay people, so that's the end of the tutorial. I hope the tutorial was beneficial for you. I hope that you all max out the Army Combat Fitness Test and just continue to keep working hard and getting stronger at it. And remember, you only got one life. Stay humble, be great. Love yourself so you can love somebody. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.